with cones and popsicles, what a treat. With a swirl of cream and colors so bright, ice cream trucks make everything right. The letter I is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital I, a straight line so tall. Lowercase I with a dot so small. I is for ice cream truck. Beep, beep. Learning letters with treats we can keep. Ice cream trucks drive through the heat. Let's write the letter I, it can't be beat. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter I is next in our ABCs. Capital I, a straight line so tall. Lowercase I with a dot so small. I is for ice cream truck. Beep, beep. Learning letters with treats we can keep.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.